Hello, Garemore again. Today we have something new to show you. It is a Si4703 FM radio module. I just got this in today. Here we have the FM radio itself, and then the 4 resistors to limit the voltage to the module, and then the Arduino Uno, and a test speaker. Note this module does not have an antenna. It uses the cable as the antenna. Here's what it sounds like. We can't listen to like music because of copyright problems.
We're on the job 24/7 to serve you safely. When you need us, call us at 256-353-1500. Lee Company, 256-353-1500, or schedule your appointment online at leecompany.com.
It scans the RDS. If you press R,
Please don't let fear stop you from seeking emergency medical care when it's needed.
we can only play commercials, unfortunately. To change the station, you press D and U to change the station.
Provide COVID-safe care, including screening all employees, visitors, enhanced cleaning, masking, and social distancing. You can find more about what
That's
we're
what
doing
it sounds like.
to keep you, our care team, and our community safe at crestwoodmedcenter.com. In a major medical emergency, dial 911 and get help as fast as possible. And when you consider your healthcare choices, please remember Crestwood. We are here for you.
Here's the commands. Enough of the demo. This is just a default thing. The program is just a default thing. These are the different commands and stuff. Here's the different options here. Yeah, it's just a default thing. The program's just a default thing. That's it for this demo of the Si4703 FM radio. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.